In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Shopify Capital. So here's how it works. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. Right here, you will use the search bar to search for Capital, and you want to click on Shopify Capital here. And basically, if you want to apply, it's going to show you all of the available deals here, depending on your store, region, and the history of your store. And you will apply from this section, and if there are no funding offers at the moment, as you can see is the case for me, you will then click on I'm interested in, and this is going to display the amounts which you wanna or which you can apply for, and you will then click on notify me. Now you will be notified if offers become available for that specific sum of money, and then you can go through the application process. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.